Hey guys, I'm going to show you how to find login activity on Google account. So to start, go ahead and open Google and make sure you're logged into your Google account. Next, click your profile at the top right. Next, go to manage your Google account. So click on that. Then from the left side, go ahead and click security and sign in. So from here, you'll see recent logins, devices, and any unusual activity flagged by Google. So once you click security and sign in, scroll down and go to your devices. So if you see your devices, select manage all devices from here. So select manage all devices to expand details. Then from here, check recent security activity. So displays recent logins, password changes, or any suspicious attempts. Click any entry to see location, device type, and time. So from here, you'll see device type like phone, laptop, etc. You can see browser or app used, approximate location based on IP, date and time of access, and whether Google thinks it's suspicious. Now go ahead and click on it if you see something unusual. So if you click on that, you need to log in again to your Google account. So sign in again. So if you don't recognize this app, for example, or this device, so what you need to do is to click on sign out or just click don't recognize something and follow the following prompts. You can also change your password immediately, turn on two-step verification, and enable two-step verification. And that's basically it. So that's how you can find login activity on Google account. Thank you for watching.